right now is specifically the use of mathematics in everyday life. Like we have been learning so many sub-branches, topics of mathematics right from our childhood. The very first thing which we learn is basic arithmetic. We get acquainted with the numbers. Then we learn the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the numbers. Do you think it is useful in our daily life? Extremely useful. That is one of the most useful thing in our routine for everyone, practically everyone. Whether he is literate like us who are learning, who will be learning more, or who are not school literates, even they use the basic arithmetic skills in practically every walk of life. Just like imagine, say you are having some day special class or your regular school at 7 o'clock in the morning, and you have somehow developed the bad habit of using alarm clock. Then say it's 5:30 a.m. you have put an alarm, and then for 7 o'clock program or say school you have some homework remaining, say half an hour you have to do the homework. So that you are supposed to do in the morning after waking up. So at 5:30 a.m. you look at the alarm clock and you think that okay, 1.5 hours is remaining, but basically I need to reach at 6:45, and then these many minutes I'm going to take for taking bath, getting ready completely, these many minutes for homework, these many minutes for cycling and going to the school. And so you add up these times, okay? And then okay, out of the 75 minutes which I have, these added minutes you are subtracting. And okay, this much time is left, and say time is 10 minutes left yet. So I can comfortably snooze 5 minute button for 2 minutes, right? And extend my sleep. So this very subconsciously you are doing. Very subconsciously you are doing. You are not specifically thinking there. यार मैंने थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में एडिशन का रूल पढ़ा था, एसोसिएटिविटी पढ़ा था, फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन पढ़ा था, फिर डिवीजन पढ़ा था, so let me use it systematically. No, but very subconsciously we are using it. So in routine we actually have to use these all arithmetic skills. When you go to any shopkeeper for purchasing anything, there is arithmetic involved. When say your parents are using bikes and cars, so when they go to have petrol filled in the vehicle, there is arithmetic involved. This is about simple arithmetic. Then there is something like commercial mathematics. You have been learning percentage, profit, loss, compound interest, simple interest, etc. This is all included in your syllabus in 5th, 6th, 7th standard. So just think of where you are using percentage more and more. If you just see the advertisements everywhere, they say that now this much percent extra we are giving on this much amount of money. You know? So everywhere we are using percentage. Like if you are using mobile, or if your family members are using mobile, for recharge of your talk time as well as data offer, that is internet, as well as SMS packs, every 15 days, 20 days you will find new types of offers. Right? And how these offers are offered from the company, basically they are observing the overall population, what percentage of people are using which type of facility. Like suppose in Akola, absolutely less than 1% people are using internet, say for video stream. Mostly internet is not used by many people, or it is used for simple data analysis, like simple things like filling up the forms for exams, etc. Right? So they know the target group in this 2-tier, 3-tier city are using internet for this much amount of time. So this much MB of data is what is their optimum need, right? So accordingly the plans are designed. So here we are seeing two aspects in that. As a user, when I want to decide whether I should use 10 MB data plan at 5 rupees for one day, or should I use 20 MB data plan for 8 rupees for one day, you are doing calculations automatically. You're finding that okay, 20 MB for one day should be 10 rupees if 10 MB is for 5 rupees, but they are giving me 8 rupees, and well, 20 MB I need to use by the experience you get it. So well, why not directly pay 8 rupees than paying 5 rupees 2 times? So you are also using mathematics there, you are applying your numerical skills, as well as company is doing it, okay, 8 rupees pack will be used by many more people, so then it's a better pack, right? That they are having also profit. So this is how commercial mathematics is. So it's alright, when numbers are concerned, this much we understand in daily routine we need this. But then why do we study algebra and geometry and all these things, you know? When we come to higher standards, such different branches of mathematics are there. What is the use of quadratic equation? What is the use of arithmetic progression, geometric progression in daily life? Well, if you talk about this progression, when you go in higher standards, that turns to sequences and series. There is a chapter 11 standard which is learning as sequences and series. This, when you go in higher mathematics, say engineering mathematics, there are various series like Taylor series, expansion. There is Fourier series, etc. Basically, these series are used in almost all the electronic equipment design. Right? So now that comes somewhat more interest to us, because in daily life we are using all the electronic gadgets. Right? So sequences series forms the basis of that, and arithmetic progression is one of the simplest series, so that's why we are learning it. That's why arithmetic algebra is important. Geometry to second line. You learn straight lines, angles, and then you learn triangle. One of the properties of triangle you are using almost everywhere to optimize your time. That is triangle inequality. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side of the triangle that you are doing. Suppose you are traveling by cycle and say you come across Bharat Vidyalaya ground, okay, and now you have two choices, whether go from this end to that end, you are going by the straight route, and then you are taking a turn and you are going this way, or you have another way also. You are comfortable riding the bike on the ground, you go straight. Most of the times you usually prefer straight. Why do you prefer it? Because assuming you